I'm curious to know how you feel about it. Okay. Let me have a few of you who would like to share your experience.
So for me, and I can safely say that for everyone here, this class was really different. It was like a life workshop for us. What I loved the most was it that it was more about the entrepreneur in the entrepreneurship. And through the activities that we did in the class, it was like we all were discovering ourselves a little bit more, and not only about our own self but also about the class community. When we were in the breakout rooms and when we shared and articulated our feelings, and in one way or another, I think we got more clear about our ideas and calling. So that was the best thing for me, sir.
So for me, it has impacted me on a personal level. And these classes have helped me to get out of the bad situation I was in before, and it made me more to believe in myself. And it was like a therapy for me, and I'd like to thank you for that, sir. And it made me trust myself, and it made me believe that I am unique. It developed my life, and also I was able to plan the structure of my life.
Attending these classes definitely gave me a different perspective as to how actually, generating ideas and the passion to accomplish that idea, like how important they are. With the teachings, I started to look at the world where I play to my strengths, not follow the conventional standards, and understand what I need to do for my future self. Understanding the work view and the world view, and to just not follow in some people's footsteps, because everyone are not the same. I am completely different. My strengths may be someone else's weakness, and the teaching, they really helped me look at it, and it gave me, made me come out of my box.
This course has really helped me in planning the best for my future. The projects we do in this course have shown me the way to figure out what I really wanted to do in both my personal and professional levels. And answering open-ended questions creatively has enhanced my skills and my thought process. And if I had to say why this course stood out for me from others, is like it taught me to become an entrepreneur by actions and words rather than just possess the skills required.
In this course, I learned about an excellent tool called prototyping. A lot of business fail due to lack of prototyping. This tool was very much useful for me as it gives a detailed idea about where my idea stands, what should be done, when should be done, and also displays the loopholes of my idea. And this would definitely reduce the chance of failures and give an immense confidence for the future young entrepreneurs like us.
So long ago, I read this book called Ikigai, which had a big influence on me, and I came across this term called life design back then, and which sir also mentioned in the first few classes. So I was immediately interested because I wanted to know how a course on entrepreneurship and business development could possibly be related to life design. So that was my primary motivation. But along the way, I've learned a lot about design thinking tools and mindsets, which I'm trying to deliberately use in my daily life. And I learned a lot about myself as well. And I enjoy the interactiveness and the fresh perspective that sir brings to the table. Also, sir has a great music taste, which is another reason for me to join the class.
This was more of an experience which helped me develop my personality rather than a class that only polished subject. I hope every other student gets an opportunity to gain a unique insight on life the way I did.
Like later, maybe because of this course, I started reading all those modules which were included in EBD. And then I would definitely say that if my friend had a course like this, they would definitely love this. And then I have gone through all those readings like Finite and Infinite Games, Meaning is Healthier Than Happiness, Managing Oneself. Now I can say with confidence that they have molded me into a better student, and now I'm ready to take up challenges in life. Aside from learning for intelligence, we should also learn to understand life and mind too. And this course has exactly taught me how to think out of box.
I genuinely feel this course would have been much better offline, where we could interact much. But the learning experience was quite amazing because of breakout rooms and Miro. And the thing that stood out for me is we had an opportunity to introspect ourselves. We got to know about our fears, our strength, our skills, and our career options. This thing was really different compared to other courses, and I'm really happy to get to know.
What is the biggest takeaway from this course? And you know what that is, all right? 3, 2, 1.
I'm unique.
I'm unique.